discount up to 80%.
That is so awesome. The so many of the products is in huge sales right now. So I'm gonna submerging my bristles, which is I'm using a brush, acrylic brush, number 12. Pick up smaller beads of mojitos and placing about half of the nails. We're gonna do some ombre. We can do ombre itself. We can do ombre and encapsulate at the same time. If you are watching some of my videos, a lot of videos with liquid gunpowders, I did a lot of different techniques, so you can enjoy either, which just like if you love just ombre itself, you can definitely achieve it. If you are going to do the ombre and encapsulate, you can also do it as well. All right, smaller beads and using the belly of the bristles and kind of guide it toward two. Okay, and I'm gonna clean my bristle, submerging it to the monomers and pick up these smaller beads from, this is a First Love, I believe, in
Beach House collection.
in Beach House collection.
You might find it under a different name. Well, more like we had both on it. It's gonna be our anniversary special acrylic powder.
Yep, it's special. And then you know what? It's a great thing about this collection, and you pretty much have everything. You not only have 10 colors, so beautiful, perfect for the season, summer and spring, and also you are going to receive the free crystal clear powders and also acrylics primer, so then that way you can use them all compatible together, and the exclusive glitz pouch with a special gift in there. So make sure when you're receiving the pouch, just don't assume it is by itself. It's something in there, so make sure you open it and check it out. So I'm going to pick up the second bead, clean my bristles, submerging back into the monomers, pick up the smaller beads, and then this is second beads. I am tugging it really close to the cuticles, just a halfway, and tuck it in, and then now flatten my brush, just keep it parallel with the nails, and using the belly of the bristle and blend it. Looks really cute, and that's it. If you don't want anything else on, like for instance, if you want to put some flowers, anything else, you can definitely, I'm gonna put some, should I put some crystal on it?
Yes, you could.
Just a little bit of crystal. I enjoy the ombre so much, so you can definitely keep this ombre itself and put a little bit crystal closer to the cuticle area. Or if you don't want anything, or your clients just want ombre itself, then don't put anything on. When you finish, clean bulb shape and top coat, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bristle again, submerging back into the monomers, pick up the about medium to large size bead and cap right where yours ping, which is the First Love and the Mojito together. So then that way you not only cap it to protect your ombre, but also it's like really smooth the nails out. I'm gonna go ahead and using the belly and guide it. All right. I might do just one mojito itself and then do some kind of encapsulates super cute elements that I got it from my sub box as well. So you can do it like decorate on the top along with your crystal, or you can encapsulate it with your liquid gunpowder or velvety gels, however you like. So I'm gonna tape it in centers. Here is the final looks. You are going to let it air dry for like, well, until we're finishing the next couple nails.